Doop doop.
Max power as well.
This is AirX coming in from Stockholm. It's 9HJAD, JAD. It's the Mitsubishi Challenger 850. The
Oh my word!
nose down
What?
like crazy. Oh jeez. Wow.
What was that?
We hope you enjoyed this flight. You can catch this connecting flight next, and feel free to say hi and leave a thumbs up. It's much appreciated. Until the next one, cheerio!